vlogging community. Some of those are, of course, there's a Philippine Vlog Association where every vlogger has the opportunity to raise and
auto-edit yan eh.
Siyempre yung mga opinions about
putting background
music. Background music in the first place.
Socialist pa yan.
So, maraming natuwa, nagkagusto and marami naman nagpo-post. So, it's one of the highlights of the Philippine vlog in the vlogging community kasi there are opinions na yun nga na-raise. And then, we also have since Taylor naman kasi.
Raffle.
Ayan. And different vlog contest from different vloggers. Siyempre, ano ba yung mga highlights naman? I guess lahat tayo nagpa-vlog contest for our videos. And then, we also have the emerging influential vlogger that happened this year. And some of our friends won in the different categories. Ayun, so that's one of the important events. And we also have the Vlogapalooza, one of the, I guess not the biggest but very hindi naman grandest, but one of the highlights of the event in 2011. So more than 150 most influential vlogger as the organizer said, na ayun, nagsama-sama and then nakinig tayo sa different advertisers and mga PRs. We also have different project headshot headed by Nicola Cosme, wherein vloggers participated in our in their project promoting Goal Zero and promoting HIV awareness. And what else? Yeah, Philippine Vlog Awards, where some of our friends also nominated and participated. Vlog Fest, organized by Azrael, of course, and then more than, I guess, 200 plus vloggers gathered on that event. And yun, basically that's some of the some of the events that happen in the vlogging community, and hopefully next year there are more vlog events na vloggers would participate. So that's the year that was. If I miss anything, maybe I'm not involved or not aware of, syempre, yan, you can add anything. So that's the
awards na big guys, particular vloggers.
Well, I'm not in the position to give awards, but
Of course.
of course, yun. So there, yun lang. And happy vlogging to everyone for 2011. It's a good year for everyone. Yun lang. So, next.
Cheers. Closing na ulit si
Ferdy.
Informal na naman ka. Huwag na magkasabi ako with sensitive information.
Okay.
Huwag naman na.
Sige na.
Ayun, so basically, lahat naman kayo